We didn't come from comfort, we came from the ground, from hospital halls, from quiet breakdowns, from nights that felt endless, from prayers said low, from learning how to breathe when hope said no.
We weren't the loudest voices, we weren't the strong, just people still standing when everything was wrong. Hands shaking, hearts open, truth in our throats, still showing up.
Even when barely afloat.
This isn't noise, this isn't a show, it's the sound of people who refuse to go.
Every scar, every breath, every step still made. Listen close.
This is how hope stays. This is what survival sounds like together. Broken voices learning how to rise. Not one strong, but side by side. Still here, still fighting for our lives. No spotlight, no one above. Just hearts that stayed when it was tough. This is what survival sounds like together.
Some of us crawled in, some were carried, some didn't speak, just stayed and listened. Stories felt like dominoes, truth met truth, and suddenly the dark had less control over you.
Real strength isn't standing alone, it's being seen when you're skin and bone.
It's someone noticing when you fade, saying I'm here, and meaning they'll stay.
We don't cheer for pain, we don't glorify scars, but we honor the fact
That we made it this far.
every voice still breathing today.
It's proof that community makes a way.
This is what survival sounds like together. Every Me Too break in the night. If one of us falls, we reach back. If one stands tall, we all rise.
No silence here,
No one unseen. We don't disappear, we lean. This is what survival sounds like together.
it's not screaming, it's staying, it's checking in.